welcome back.
No, please, can't keep doing that shit. We always do it.
Don't say that word. Oh my god. Okay, so decide no, back or...
Okay, back.
Okay.
Alright. Hello.
Welcome back to
17,000 flavors of Indonesia.
Okay, then... Alright then,
what are you gonna do?
Did we show them our...
Yeah, so we bought, well,
this one.
You did a little recording.
No, but I haven't put it yet. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Alright then, so we have this...
Do I look fat?
We have this air fryer. Air fryer?
Air fryer.
Yeah, air fryers. And then we want to try what we can do with this. So you don't need oil, you don't need nothing.
Yeah.
You just need to put whatever you want to cook, it's gonna cook.
And we found it at Costco for like 50 bucks.
No, $39.99.
Okay,
$39.99. Yeah, $39.99.
And we're gonna see what this thing does.
Yes. Alright then, so we're gonna do something very simple and quick today. I bought some of these, how do you call these, tortillas? And kind of like, it was in the fridge. And then kind of like, you know, are you gonna eat it or not? But we're gonna make something that you can really eat it and like it from this.
And it's quick.
And like less
Alright, so what are you gonna call this?
We're gonna call it tortilla pizza.
Indonesian single serve pizza.
Okay, let's do that. Pizza a la
Indonesia.
Yeah, pizza a la Indonesia.
Or pizza a la Krakatoa.
Yeah.
Pizza a la 17,000 flavors of Indonesia.
And then most of this is from our garden that we could pick up this morning. So all of the stuff here from the garden that we're gonna put here.
And not the onion.
Yeah. No.
But we have lime leaves here, which is awesome.
Let me show you.
And
ta-da! Let's see this.
The Thai basil.
And this is all from
our little tomatoes that we have growing outside. We're gonna use a little bit of everything, right?
So we're gonna make three kind of pizza from these three tastes. So you have bumbu merah. It's gonna be a little bit kick spicy
because it's got chilies in it.
And then we're gonna use bumbu kuning, kind of
curry-ish, because it's got turmeric,
the turmeric, coriander, cumin, and all of that stuff. Kind of curries, but it's not like strong curry. If you like curry, and this is very simple taste. It's galanga, ginger, and garlic. It's bumbu putih. It's basic seasoning in Indonesia. And of course, oh my gosh, my Thai basil. We're gonna put Thai basil too. It's from the garden. Okay. So do as much as possible that you can dig and.
All right. So do we plug this up?
Yes, plug that one first, please. Here behind.
Where are we gonna plug it?
Here.
This is our fancy kitchen studio where we have an extension cord
everywhere. Okay, move here a little bit so it's easy. Alright, okay. So now I need your. I challenge you to make whatever you want to put here. And
but I'm gonna work the camera too.
No, but when it's, are you gonna come? Okay, let's do this.
Just go.
Let's go. We like to. Okay, like that. Alright then, so let's do this. Do you wanna go and show them how I make this?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright then, we will do this. Ta-da! So I'm gonna make three kind of pizza here. So 1, 2, and take a look at this. So you don't need to throw this even it's very hard, because I don't like to throw food as much possible, because a lot of people around the world they cannot eat. If you can redo this, that's what I did back then when I was a kid in Indonesia. We don't throw food as much as possible.
So that looks like Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, that's true. Mickey Mouse. Okay, so we're gonna make three type of pizza. What we need to do now, the first, you may choose which one that you want to do. I'll do bumbu putih first. Just take 1 spoon of bumbu putih. If you want to like a strong taste, just put 1 there. Okay, bumbu putih. And then you just, if you don't want to have a strong taste, then you just put less. Okay, that's bumbu putih there. Okay, you do bumbu putih. Next we'll do bumbu kuning. There's gonna be 3 type of pizza. This bumbu kuning there, Okay. Put there. The smell. So herby and so good. Okay, those 3. You got 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna do the bumbu merah. Bumbu merah here. Yeah, this is kind of a little bit cake. Just put a little bit here. Okay, I think that's enough. Bumbu merah, and then you do like that. All right. Da. All right. So now you put any kind of veggies that you want to put. I'm gonna put onion here a little bit. Onion. I'm gonna put onion. Just a little bit here.
And guys, just like a pizza, if you want to put chicken or
any meat,
sausage, beef,
but make sure you have to slice it very thin.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna cook this less than 5 minutes. Like 5 minutes, I'm gonna cook, and then leftover celery. This is celery. Celery is good for you. Like I keep telling everybody, celery is good for you, because I used to eat a lot of celery back then when I was in Indonesia. And then tomatillos. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a green tomatillos too, if you want. And I'm gonna put this
Thai basil.
I'm gonna put Thai basil in the only in the white. Okay, in the white seasoning. I like a lot of kind of in the white seasoning. And then this is, I put it here, and put this too. 4, 5. Ta-da. And then if you want a little bit spiciness, I put these burritos. Maybe I'm gonna put in one of them. The burritos, I'm gonna put perhaps like 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I miss something here? Oh, and in the first one, I'm gonna put carrot. It's a lot, right? Carrot, one more, because you're gonna have something else from here. Then, ta-da, dang, egg. We're gonna put egg on the top. I'm gonna put egg here. Ooh, yeah. Okay, and make sure you do like that. Egg. Where's the? Put it here. I'm gonna put egg 2 here. So you can, whatever you want to put, just okay. Here, do you wanna take a look at this too? So another egg. So if you want egg, put egg. If you don't want it, just don't put egg. And the last one is, I'm gonna put cheese. Where's my cheese? Cheese here. Ta-da. Egg. Show them how. Yeah, make sure you have to
break the yolk.
Yeah, break the yolk. And then this is from our garden. Okay, just put a little bit, because we have onion already there. And then this is the one left over. Yeah. Right. And then I need cheese. If you want to have this dry lime leaf, I'm gonna put dry lime leaf here too. So we have cheese. So you can use any cheese, but I use Parmesan or Italian brand. I'm gonna use Parmesan. This is Parmesan cheese. Just put on the top here. Parmesan cheese. If you like cheese, you can put more. And I'm not gonna put in the white seasoning. I wanna taste how without the cheese. And then put this one too. Woo! You like cheese, put cheese. Parmesan cheese. You don't need salt because the cheese is already salty. And then, should I put another cheese? Okay, I'm gonna put cheese in the white one, but Italian cheese. Okay, that's it. Now it's cooking time. Ta-da! This is my pizza spoon. pizza spoon. We're gonna start with putti first. Just put it here. Putti. Make sure the egg is stay inside. Then put it here. See that? So we're gonna cook probably like a 5 to 6 minutes. So we have to wait 5 minutes. Like that. And then we still have this. Ta-da, 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 5 minutes.
Okay, so we're gonna do.
Oh, watch.
We're gonna do an Indonesian phrase of the day.
Okay.
So
let me
think
think.
of something.
Okay, one Indonesian phrase or just Indonesian
Something
word?
funny. Or a word.
Okay, enak banget.
Okay, totally.
Enak banget. It's been very like
Enak
enak banget.
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 Okay. Enak banget.
Enak banget. It's like very, very delicious.
Okay. Enak banget.
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 Say it to them.
Enak banget.
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 Yeah.
Enak banget.
Or say just enak sekali. That's easier. Enak sekali.
Enak sekali.
Yeah, enak sekali. Enak sekali.
Enak sekali.
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna say that after we eat pizza.
Yeah.
All right, so what does that mean?
It's
The same? Really good?
yeah, very good. Really good.
Okay.
Really good.
Enak sekali.
Enak sekali. See?
Okay.
So you can.
Your Indonesian word for the day.
Enak sekali.
It's finished. So I'm gonna.
Hold a second.
Huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull it out here, and it's perfectly cooked. It's hot, 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 hot. Come on, it's stuck.
Put it there, and put the other one.
All right, I'm gonna put this one in there now.
That is the yellow.
Putti.
Yeah, I think we.
I think this is the putti one.
No, that is the. Oh yeah. Okay.
How do you do it?
Okay. So this, and then you choose down, 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 down. Let's do 5 and stop.
Oh, that was easy.